Have you ever wondered why cats are linked to Halloween? Since we're right around the corner from one of our favorite holidays, we're going to do a little research. Get ready for the random facts about cats and Halloween. This is Top Tier Trivia. Before we start talking about Halloween, let's take a step back to ancient Egypt. The relationship between the ancient Egyptians and cats was mutually beneficial. Cats kept snakes and vermin away from food supplies. Eventually, the Egyptians associated cats with the divine. Cats were also held in high regard in ancient Persia, India, China, and Japan. Our feline friends were still considered lucky during the times of the Vikings. It was only until a medieval writer, Walter Map, associated cats with evil forces that the attitude towards cats started to change. The reputation of cats was trashed by Pope Gregory IX. He declared that cats were in league with the devil and they were regularly wiped out after this proclamation. Many maintained that the Black Plague was worsened by the lack of felines to hunt rats that carried the disease. The Pilgrims who came to America also held the same distrust of anything associated with magic and witches. No doubt this attitude stemmed from Pope Gregory's proclamation. The Pilgrims actively pursued and destroyed black cats in particular. By the time the Salem witch trials came about, black cats were cemented as a witch's familiar. Their aloof attitude towards humans did not help the situation. A cat's indifference and independence of humans, once viewed as a positive trait, was now seen as suspicious. Eventually, the power of the church declined and fear of cats diminished. Writers and poets began depicting cats as symbols of nonconformity and mystery. Unfortunately, black cats are still looked upon with a certain distrust today. They are usually the last to be adopted from shelters. If you are considering adopting a cat, you might want to check your bias if black cats are available. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our DIY channel called Super Simple Fixes. The link is below. Have a great day.